Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Repair. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad brake light switch. A small but crucial component in your vehicle. The brake light switch is responsible for closing the electrical circuit that turns on your brake lights when you press the brake pedal. But that's not all, it also sends signals to the ABS system. Deactivates cruise control, activates the shift interlock solenoid. So you can shift out of park and enables push-button start in newer vehicles. You'll typically find the brake light switch mounted near the brake pedal assembly. Check engine light on. A faulty brake light switch can trigger the check engine light or even the ABS light. This happens because the switch is tied to multiple safety systems. Using an OBD scanner can help identify the problem. Brake lights don't turn on. If the brake lights don't come on when you press the pedal, that's a clear sign the switch may be bad. No power is reaching the lights, so they remain off. Not only is this dangerous especially at night, but it's also illegal in many places. Brake lights stay on constantly. On the flip side, your brake lights might be stuck on all the time, even when you're not pressing the pedal or even after the car is turned off. This can happen if the switch is shorted internally or if the plastic stopper that keeps the switch in the open position has broken or fallen off. This constant current draw can drain your battery overnight and you might wake up to a dead car. Push-button start won't work. If your car uses a push-button start system, you may run into a problem where the engine won't crank at all. Why? Because the system requires input from the brake switch to confirm that your foot is on the brake before starting. If that switch fails, the system thinks you're not pressing the brake and it refuses to start. This is a very common issue in newer cars with the electronic ignition systems. Cruise control not working. In most vehicles, pressing the brake pedal deactivates cruise control, and it does this using the brake light switch. If that switch is bad, the cruise control module won't get the signal to either activate or deactivate, meaning it could stop working altogether. This is another safety feature built into the system, and it's a major red flag. Stuck in park, trying to shift out of park but nothing happens. You might be pressing the brake pedal, but if the switch isn't working, the shift interlock solenoid won't engage, meaning you're stuck in park. This is a built-in safety feature that depends entirely on a working brake switch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.